All right, hello everyone and welcome back. We are starting our next video here talking about a new little trick. The trick we're going to look at now is going to be the dropping the unneeded terms trick. So in order to showcase this trick, we're going to work through this example here where 6n to the 8 minus 7n squared is going to be in big O of n to the 8. So let's just remind ourselves one last time here of what that actually means. What we're saying is 6 times n to the 8 minus 7 times n to the n squared is less than or equal to m times n to the 8. And this is there exists an m greater than 0 and there exists an n naught greater than 0 for all n greater than n naught. We're going to try and make this true. Okay, so what we're going to look at is how can we pick some values here that are going to basically allow us to drop our lower order terms. That's really what the name of the game is here. So we can already see that this right here, 6 times n to the 8, looks very similar to this, m times n to the 8. So just by looking at that alone, I kind of want to let m equal 6. Let m equal 6. And once I've done that, I basically just need to find a way to prove that this will either take away 0 or take away a number strictly bigger than 0. As long as I can prove that this here takes away something greater than 0, we can say that this 6 times n to the 8 is going to be less than or equal to this side. So we want to pick an n value where we can say that that's true. Thankfully, we don't have very far to go, because if we say that n naught is going to be equal to 1, then our n has to be greater than 1 for all of them. And this implies, since we know that our n value is definitely going to be in the positives, we know that 7n squared is going to be greater than 0. And that's enough to tell us that it's definitely going to be something that sort of takes away from that first term because it's a negative of something greater than 0. And so we get to drop that term. Therefore, we can just say that 6n8 minus 7n squared is going to be less than or equal to just 6n8, which is less than or equal to m times n8, since m is equal to 6. We have proven 6n8 minus 7n squared is in big O of n to the 8 for m equals 6 and n naught equals 1 for all n's greater than that 1, that n naught value. And that's it. It is so easy to do these ones. It's really nice and kind of simple to see. Now, knowing these tips and tricks, so don't forget we have roundup, we have factor out, we have dropping unneeded terms. We're going to start looking at satisfying multiple constraints. And then once that's done, we will go ahead and look at other notations or other asymptotic notations such as theta, as well as a couple others that we may discuss a little bit. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me for this super quick video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everyone.